Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. This is your daily crypto news wrap up where I give you all the news in about 3 minutes wearing some cringe Gucci shades. All right, guys, listen, still here in Las Vegas. Tomorrow is day 3 for me in the World Series Poker main event. Still in it. I'm in about the top 10% of stacks. So we'll see what happens. I should be able to make the money tomorrow unless disaster strikes, which, hey, definitely could happen. Now, listen, guys, I want to talk to you guys about what happened today in the markets. So what's going on in the markets right now is we've had a major correction. I told you this morning on the stream, I hoped we weren't going to see that. I thought we could see some upward momentum to bust up and bust out. But the $3 trillion market cap, the $3 trillion cap seems to now be a level of resistance for Bitcoin or for the overall markets. I think this is important because once we can finally crash through that resistance, and look, guys, the total market cap chart works the same way that a Bitcoin chart works. It's got support, it's got resistance. It moves together. A lot of people are asking the question, like, is crypto worth $3 trillion? It's absolutely insane when you look at it. And the answer to that question is yes, it is. Not at this current moment, but it was this morning. Now, what we're seeing for individual coins, XRP and Cardano got crushed today. SHIB got crushed today. Ethereum got crushed today. Bitcoin got crushed today. Bitcoin dropped all the way from $69,000 to $62,000. Now, what does this tell us? This tells us we're seeing increasing volatility in the market. Now, if you go to CoinMarketCap or, if you go to CoinGecko and click where you can view the amount of losses by coins in the top 100, you'll see nothing took over a 10% loss today, but almost everything was in between a 5 and 10% loss. Guys, what happened today is the market got overheated. If you look at what stoked this rise this morning, other than just buying and selling, was renewed, and I told you guys this was coming, renewed concerns about inflation. It's going to get so bad, inflation. I told you this is going to be the number one talking point of the fall. And we're seeing it play out right here in front of us. The interesting thing is there doesn't seem to be any news-driven reasons we can point to for this correction we had today. And that's what tells you that it's just the market getting overheated. So I'm not worried about this crash. It went down to 62. It bounced back up right now. I think it's back around 65,000, somewhere around there. But definitely nothing to be in a tizzy or to be concerned about, in my opinion. When you look at other markets, this inflation concern, it's been crushing the stock market. The Tesla price has gotten crushed. Good. I mean, I'm sorry if you're investing in it, but I hate Elon Musk, whatever. So, but the fact is that we're seeing other markets affected by this inflation. Now, there was a report that 6.2%, the rate of inflation over the last 12 months is 6.2%. And that's correct. But they leave out the information that the rate of inflation has been going down throughout the year. So keep that in mind as you hear all these concerns about inflation. And they're going to continue this talking point. At some point, though, I think what we're seeing is a stretching of the volatility with Bitcoin to prepare us for the biggest candle we've ever seen. We are going to see the largest candle we have ever seen for Bitcoin in its history, I believe, in the next 4 weeks. So drop down below. Let me know what you think. What do you think we're going to see for Bitcoin? I'm not concerned. And one really interesting thing is, even though we did bounce down to 62,000, we did bounce up above 64 very quickly. And what does that tell you? That previous all-time high of 64,000, this time we broke through it, and now it's acting as support, and that is a good thing. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. Be blessed. BitBoy out.